Hi, welcome to a day in my life as a NYSC Copper serving in Lagos, Nigeria, Ikorodu to be precise. So today we went for a CDS in one market called Flower Market opposite Last Boutique in Ikorodu. So it was funny, but it was an Hausa market, like they have more of Hausa people there. So listening, I remain blessed. The most amazing part of this CDS is that when we were there, the Asa Imam or the Malam or like the chief headed the market gave us money and gave us water. Like that's the only place we've been to and they gave us stuff. That's like the second time we're going there. So and the man gave us things and all of that. So because it rained in the morning and the ground was it was messed up. Everything was messed up. It's kind of like a fruit market where they sell like fruits, but I don't know, they kind of like go from there to the north, like they load in their buses in that particular place. They sell more fruits and all of that. They offload and things like that. So I saw monkey. Guess what? I saw a monkey there. I was so scared that I saw the monkey though. But what do we do? So at this point, they were practicing for a concert they wanted to do, but I wasn't interested though. Be fast, be fast.
What are you videoing now?
I'm videoing you.
Don't say nothing at TV. This one don't fall. Daniel, this one don't fall. Let me change. Give me one more.
You never give me, oh. So you go they put out your pocket. How do they tell you down?
This is
Daniel.
It's a spring. I don't want this. Come on, make it all. Daniel. Asimat. Who is Asimat? You cannot hear your name. Who is Asimat? That is my Asimat. They are calling Asimat.
Omo gali.
Ọmọ kan jọ ayé lọ.
What a nice.
They don't share the table water.
Adekite. You know how to get.
How I go?
Oladi meji Ayomide.
I don't want to buy coke every time. Yes, thank you.
Are you Ayomide Oladi?
Who is? She's my friend. Oh, you're paying for her?
Come on, that's it. Are you playing? Are you playing?
Grace, Seniola.
Are you playing?
Start the song, God have mercy.
God have mercy.
Okay, already. Okay. This was Uncle.
Oh yeah, oh, play. Sister, you're blocking my view. He's ready.
Yeah, now.
No. My throat don't see for back.
Just say slow down. Slow down. If I'm telling them, just talk to them. Tell them like slow down. I got your pastor, you don't slow down.
So that's the monkey on that man's lap. That monkey, like, it was just flying everywhere.
No, on behalf of my Selkie, he's not around, and then I appreciate I receive it.
Thank you.
So we wish you good luck in your service.
Amen. Oh.
Long life and prosperity.
Amen. Oh.
So will be doctor,
Amen.
lawyers, pilots.
Amen.
So glory be to God.
Amen.
Yeah.
Why did they shout out? Go on the road, ba. Now you go follow, ba. See you when I see you. Abi, don't worry. No wahala. No wahala. I post on my YouTube.
Okay, you have a YouTube page?
Yes.
How many followers now?
Mama, it never plenty. Me I do church content now, so you know the two girls views. I know they do all those, lifestyle, all those girls, so I know they get.
I have a little sermon, but I don't know, sir. Like 7 minutes sermon.
You have a Gmail now.
Yes.
So when you go to you download YouTube, where we follow? Is it here or here? Are you hearing me? So when you download YouTube, you will just say like you are new, you want to create. So now you to put your Gmail. Then you put your password, put your number, all those things. And that's all. Okay, WhatsApp.
So that we post it by sermon.
Okay.
Yeah, because Facebook it's no longer enough. 7 minutes, 6 minutes, just 7 minutes too long.
No.
I can teach a message for like 10 minutes.
No.
I have a YouTube page now. Really pay attention.
But YouTube can even take 1 hour self. Yeah. Oh yeah, start coming.
We're on our way to Garrett. We're on our way to
Clack it.
yeah.